was a promise of a lifetime of love. Now I know there is no other love like a mother's love for her child. And I know a love so complete someday must leave, must say goodbye. Goodbye's the saddest word I'll ever hear. Goodbye's the last time I will hold you near. Someday you'll say that word and I will cry. It'll break my heart to hear you say goodbye. Mama, you gave love to me, turned a young one into a woman. And Mama, all I ever needed was a guarantee of you loving me. 'Cause I know there is no other love like a mother's love for her child. And it hurts so, but something so strong someday will become, must say goodbye. Ooh, yeah. Goodbye's the saddest word I'll ever hear. Goodbye's the last time I will hold you near. Someday you'll say that word and I will cry. It'll break my heart to hear you say goodbye. But the love you give will always be here. You'll always be there every time I fall. You are to me the greatest love of all. You take my weakness and you make me strong. And I will always love you till forever comes. And when you need me, I'll be there for you always. I'll be there your whole life through. I'll be there, this I promise you. I'll be your beacon through the darkest night. I'll be the wings that guide your broken flight. I'll be your shelter through the raging storm. And I will love you till forever comes. Goodbye's the saddest word I'll ever hear. Goodbye's the last time I will hold you near. Someday you'll say the word and I will cry. It'll break my heart to hear you say goodbye. I don't look like what I have been through. You turned my pit into a well. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Watum. I've been through a lot, but grace sustained me. My test is now a testimony. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Watum. It was you, my lawyer in that courtroom. It was you, my soldier on that battlefield. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Watum. Hey, Adumo, Nyame, Adumo, Adum, Adum intina metiasi, Eya Wadum tina mewoho. Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Watum. Hey, Adumo, Nyame, Adumo, Adum. Eya Adum intina metiasi, Eya Wadum tina mewoho. Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Watum. Who has changed my story? Who has given me a song? Turn my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. You have changed my story. Protocol breaker, you made a way. You turned my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. Could not have made it without you. Hey. Could not have sailed through.
abusuafo montie me kakra ewisa boarding kanene ka se ewisa boarding na obi anim say the school sitie asuafo bi a efa mu eye apem ahankron aduankron num ne 1995 student bi a efa ho omo so omo ne osofo pon na fibom eti sabri omo ba ye no omo ba a omo kasa sie ne se osofo pon baje 600 Ghana cedis Ghana sika foforo baje ahensia abusuafo so omo kuta 20 Ghana edema otiwa abusuafo
yo achinti amai yebesre sabri nana no maduru ha nana amamre kwanso no se nana no maduru ha yebesre se obia be pagane mu nana no trase wi a ansa na oman no so atrase enti se yeto yene a ebe hu se nana no na ato santen no enti yebesre se obia be pagane mu na wagina ho amamre kwanso obia be pagane mu na wagina ho yaka kotokumaya ambeni mfuedi kotokusua nana abuabo hene ndi esese yade bibie ma di ani di epatano eno ndi nana nom ana eba no yesre odia petenu nana nom ana eba no semo behra nana abuabo hene na chiami ne pita kuma odi kan no di ade na tino ajo bi oja se ne to aso nana abuabo hene ankasa atitori nan o ta temu ba ajo bi ko ndi hene ye nana asanti jiba ono so na eto aso no abuabo ahene ne mpani mfo nyina na bi ati eba no nana no etiatia kotokumai empenimfo etitrufo baako na epie kure no nana aboabo hene nana eboye mo ase mo apiafo nana no etiatia nana aboabo hene ono ane kotoku sana hene enonti semo nana aboabo hene a na trase kotokumai empanimfo no tani paako pa na ayiti ewa ha no ono ne kotoku sana hene nana no trase bia ansa na omai no etumi atrase bia se moncha ya kakra yamfa eni ma de di patano yes na omai don't tell nana no so e trase kotoku sana hene eye aboabo hina kasa ana tutu nai adru adru ko ye kampani mfo adese ko mfo kotoku ba ko no Yadamasi. Aya. Yo, emsa boarding school for a buy. Almost here. Omoni akwansra elto. And it is a man one. Na omotia omoneti. pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ báyẹn ti ọmọ sáyẹn akọ bẹ̀ẹ́bí a ọmọ fi báyẹn yẹn ẹ̀ máa sè.
Ube
Echira mama broni wa piji broni ni kunu Kofi Ajayi ose adoti wa busuafo mo maje 100 Ghana mo fa ensesa mo nkonwa mansofo a efri manso ba me kira ohwefo omona samwa ne nuanom on se ekona busua mo maje 100 Ghana mo fa ensesa mo nkonwa nana ya woma odan kwanta ochiame mensa eda wano no wo mo so kasa sie ni kujo unu anom ene o maame nom mo maji Ghana sika fofroi cedi ohadwonum 150 Ghana na mo fa ensesa mo nkonwa mo pra dofo e no ma yade
se wonse santin bi ato na echia ayo osofo pon the members wo achiase branch ene odam abu branch omo de akwansere nso ebeto aso omo bom nsanwa omo so omo sofo opepe aduo no 2000 Ghana cedis eya achiase branch ene odam abu branch osofo one ninuanom ene nebusia mama ya de software Reverend Mrs. Charles by Ankra also a more software upon or baby me ni aka no osofo ose wo be fia ono be ka no okukuam nya me sira no why are the mo prene what ya kwansere nso e be to fam asante achema gogo ne kwanwa le da wase chairman
owura ya frempon kwaku opon papa owura ya frempon kwaku opon papa osi oti wa busu afo mo maje 150 Ghana mo fa sisa mo nkonwa openia yirifa Mr. Yirifa ne yire ennuanom Mr. Yirifa wanya na ba bi kro ne yire ennuanom amukuta 250 Ghana ekona busua Momaje emphasis am nkomya. The Living Flame Church Odan any Achiase branch. Omukuta 2,000 Ghana. Omdema Otiwa Ebusia. Living Flame Church Odan any Achiase branch. 2,000 Ghana cedis. Omdema Otiwa Ebusia. Mr. Maxwell onene yire Odan Omukuta 1,000 Ghana cedis. Edema Ora Kwaku Opon. Ebusia for Omumpre Adofi Roma Yade.
Suffer upon assault them or Abuabo. I'm saying, I'm saying 200 Ghana cedis. I'm on the Mayan Papai. Remember, I was selling more fair. And I am from Ladies in Action. I'm more suffer upon assault them. I will come and send 200 Ghana cedis. I'm on the man or suffer any Unianum, Sanatia, Nayaguso. I'm here, so I'm going to be Sasa, and the master for. I'm a person of Mokonti. Now, I'm going to do a sa and son of Mofriha. I'm saying, I'm a I'm about one more fair. I saw them, and the mom will be Samauni. Sana, my man, so I have a tire young class on the buso. When you are meaning, I will see you. May I be a sa. The silent Maba, I see you, my man. Yes, you are a tire. You between you and Sano. You are see you for fair. I only am a show. Mama maya ye na ketefono mabem yasama odo minimum medudi minim de mutimi ye ekwantafo no ai enche ni agumu kuromu akwa no so na mfuto na firim kuromu na monya masoge sana tie ai Ladies in Action monya mo na eba no sana tie Ladies in Action so nana ababo hen asoye ene yadu so we said nana kasa sieni wase ekura ne nsam onene doma bai amukura mo nsam 230 Ghana cedis so for upon onuni anomonye na mo fanse sabon kwea nana na mi israel o ma wahini yakase sanate ewie anu owie ewie maako enum e wa ha no so ekura ne nsam Obia 5 cedis. Obusia money and I'm fancy some on prayer. Sansu na esanti a echensu ye. Minta or Church of Pentecost. Ono na sabri amato santi amutia omani ebusuyen. Sarete. Nana nyamisra se o amane sa akwa no beboa yen sofo opo. Ena me se watu asa asusunti. Ana watutu wana mawo abekodi emu ha. Abata yen sofo achi a. Nyamisra no obusu ampanifo ne adofo ba ye nyina. Sofo se nyamisra no. Yeguso
You got to the negotiation to one channel. You have to add so I brought it to full airway. Sister Akosia Mommy, Nikuno. Sister Akosia Mommy, Nikuno. I believe Eddie Raman, or say over the $700 or the man sister, Mommy in Akosia. Alpha Gold. CEO, your friend opening person Yako. On in the year, 500 Ghana on the amount of so any opening Babina Opon. Sister Ata USA. Sister Ata USA. 50 Ghana on the amount open black committee. Abusian. Abiasaba 130 Ghana or the map committee and in Abuja. Owura Kajo Adapa on the 40 Ghana on it. Osofo Amoako Ogutanizem Sika 200 Ghana or the map Osofo Opon in the Miano. Yadamase. Yes, Ramon, and normal answer. Abusiano, Mugaka Mora Monkabra. Anyesa, Yabate Afri, Abusiasikam, and Jimontano Anso, Yadamasi.
sanity. I hear that you wish I had. Sanity and Cowboy, and if you do not take a share, I said I don't for it, I suffer upon. I decided to make a look on his 50 Ghana. About here, now passes our prayer. I didn't get play. Sanity on our contact to the first of the piece of the day. This is the name on Promotional. Sanity. I am ready to get up. Any boy and some so come. If you are grandma, come and go to Munawaha. Sanity, get it for Yadamasi.
Joe, my brass band, yes, Ramo. Yes, Ramo, Mubaba from Kakrabia, my British Yamu, Namasai Atwaso. Yes, brass band. Brass band, yes, Ramo. Yeah, Mubatuaso, yes, Ramo. Joe, I think Yamai.
Ma, Nana Pajamu. And until the Casa area, the phone, as an woman, Sana. Nana Asori. Nancy Baptist Sabrin. And Crani Yunipa and Abatrasa, Namayaduma Otna, Oma Kanu, Ubiano Kashu. And until my name says, Samu Fabia, the phone of Ma, Omuraso. And until, as I said, almost sorry. And until Nananum Abba Pajamu. Sɛ yɛkan adeɛ mmiɛnsa obi bi na yi apato yie sɛ wɔn mpaboa na yi apato yie baako nananom ɔbɛsɔre mmienu nananom ɔbɛsɔre mmiɛnsa nananom sɔre ɔdɛfoɔ no ne ma no.
Sanity, aye. Nana no sell an interest. Even to be more sour, over to me at the bonds, I want to fair fact. Brown and animal crew.